Hi guys, today I'm back with some more resin molds to test out. Now this one is an intricate, really pretty looking butterfly. Now I've got some epoxy resin left over from a previous video that I need to use up in this video, and it has a mica powder added to it. It is a green, blue, purple mica powder added to it. So I'm just going to fill up this mold, let it cure, and we'll see what it looks like together. Okay, now here comes the hard part. We're going to try and manipulate some of this into here. I'm not quite sure what the best way is there, because it is quite a narrow some has already seeped in. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes before I pop any bubbles that appear, and I will let that cure for at least 24 hours, and we'll be back to unmold together. Okay, it has been 24 hours. Now we will see if these things come out and not break, because it looks so thin, so fragile, but we shall see. And there you have it. They're intact. I'm very surprised. And look at the detail in that. So pretty. This would look really nice with glitter as well. Well, if you're looking for a very detailed butterfly mold, give this one a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.